every single MC has lost their voice. I love chatting shit on the mic as well, and I've lost my voice as well, right? So, before we crack on, I'm gonna do, it's my first hardcore set of the week, and we're gonna go through the history. We're gonna go from the very start of Happy Hardcore to the 2000s. Now, before we do that, I just want to say, when we started Unity in the Sun, we started with old school and like early 90s stuff. And on this, when we left on the first year, I said I've got to add Happy Hardcore and I've got to add Hard House because both of those musics have played a big part in my career. And it's not just old school, it's not just 88 to 93. And I think that Happy Hardcore and Hardcore gets the raw end of the deal when it comes to a lot of events, right? And I love Happy Hardcore. I have an event called I Love Happy Hardcore. We're doing bonkers at Ministry of Sound. We have Happy Hardcore at Unity in the Sun every year. I have not forgotten my roots in Happy Hardcore and what it's done for my life and career. Right? So, I know that new hardcore is fucking fast, and I've put myself on for a 2-hour set. We will get up to the speed of these, but original Happy Hardcore was slightly slower. I sweat my bollocks off, I've got fuckloads of water, I know it gets hot in here, I've lost my voice, I might have to strip naked, it will not be a pretty sight, but we're going to go through the history for 2 hours. Are you with